Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So basically if you sell products in person and online, Shopify POS makes it easy to manage everything in one place. So in today's small tutorial, I'm really gonna show you all on how to actually set it up fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first we're gonna go all the way to shopify.com. So you can do the usual stuff, make sure you log in using your email address and password. After this, we're gonna go all the way to this app section. Tap on add, and you should wait until this new window pop off. Right now, if you can't see the application, just go ahead into this Shopify App Store, open link in a new tab. Then we're gonna wait again. Let's go to look for the POS sales. See if we can see this app here. Okay, right now we're gonna see multiple apps that you can basically pick from. See, okay, let's check this. For example, Evolution, POS Employee Management Solution, POS Clock and Time Tracking, Employee Schedules, Employee Reports, and many other options. Basically, as for the starter, you can check it for free. For a small business, you can pay a small amount, and more options. If you want it, all you're gonna do is tap on install, and it will be done. Give it all the permissions needed, and that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.